What's up, YouTube? It's your girl China, and today we're doing a chit chat. Get ready with me, and let's just get straight into the video. So I just want to tell y'all, I've been having issues lately. Your girl been up, down, round and round, and I'm gonna just tell y'all about it because I feel like I don't have friends or enough people to hear me out. And why not talk to my peoples? Why not talk to my friends? Because I don't understand half of the shit that I be going through, but I feel like God, He is not meant to understand sometimes. You feel what I'm saying? And people, you don't want to understand people, because people, it makes it worse. Cause that's why I don't got no friends, y'all. It's just too crazy. And I'm a loyal ass person. I'm the best of friends. But it's like people don't feel the same way about me. And this is not throwing subs to nobody. This is just in general on my life and how, I'm feeling now. I'm 27. Well, I'm about to be 28 in November. And it's just giving me a whole different aspect of life and friends and just family and everything. It's crazy, y'all. I don't even know where to start. I don't know where to start. Should I start from here, there? I really don't know. But everything, all the links in the description on the products that I'm using will be in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and if you're not already subscribed, you should subscribe to your girl channel. All my returning gang, what's up, y'all? I love y'all. Comment down below if you feel what I'm saying. Let me see. So I got some time to talk. So first topic I really want to talk about is friendship, because I feel like that's my biggest thing, and I just feel so alone sometimes. But I know I'm not the only person feeling like this. You get what I'm saying? I don't have much friends. Matter of fact, I don't have any. You understand that I could really this is my friend, that I don't have any. And I just feel like it's because it's too messy, or it's too much drama, or the hate, or the envious. I don't know what it is, but us females, we got too much emotions. We feel like this is being said about this is being done about this. And I really just don't understand why we can't just stop the bullshit and come together. You understand? Because if we do, we will be so much more stronger than just us being separated, divided. I just don't understand that. I feel like we should uplift each other as, women, as people, as mothers, as everything. Because it don't make no sense hating on the next person. I think that's a sin. If I'm not mistaken, y'all, comment below. Is that a sin? You cannot be jealous of somebody else's, what they have, or anything like that. You get what I'm saying? You're just supposed to pray and be happy for that person. That's number one. And pray, and shit will get better for you. You know what I'm saying? That right there, I can't do that. Okay, so that was the first thing I want to talk about. I just want to get that out there. This is not to throw subs at nobody. It's just how I'm feeling. Because when it's time, I don't have nobody to talk to. So I feel like I'm going to come here and talk to y'all, because who else? You understand what? I'm going to go to a therapist, which makes sense. But why do that when I could speak to y'all? You know what I'm saying? My next topic, because y'all know I'm going topic after topic. Hold on. Right, y'all. So my next topic is, sorry to say, it's family. Okay? Because this right here, it hits home. Ain't nobody can get me madder than my family could. Okay? And that's the problem. Excuse me, y'all. I'm so sorry. And that's the issue. I don't know. I can't say that much because I told them to subscribe to my channel. I don't know if they did. I don't know if they didn't. But Like, and that's the problem. The support is not there. It's definitely given absent. Okay, gone. Kind of like my baby hairs right there. But like I said, family, I can't touch too much about that. Maybe I'll make a whole video, because it's like, if I go in depth and say exactly what I want to say, y'all not gonna understand it, because y'all need the whole full out story. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm not here to bash nobody. I'm not bashing anybody. That's not what I use my platform for. But this is a platform that I use to speak my mind and get out stuff that I feel, because, I do battle from depression time from time. My son is 3 years old, and he had like little health issues and stuff. He had like 6 or 7 surgeries and stuff like that. So I be going, before all of this, I was going through mad postpartum depression. I don't even know how to say it properly, and I just was going through it. Okay? Like, really going through it. So right now is like me halfway getting over what I've been through with my son, and all of this hospital and these doctors and his kidneys and all of the surgeries that he been through. So I've been through a lot, okay, y'all? So excuse me if I'm here, there, where, everywhere. But this is what is given. Like, I've been through so much stuff in my life. I could sit here and talk and tell y'all everything. Y'all gonna be like, oh my God. But I suffer from postpartum. I think I still do. I don't know if I do or if I don't. I should get that checked too, you guys. But it just be so much stuff going on. My daughter started back school, so it's just like, it's given, oh my God. So, yeah. So, my next topic I want to talk about is relationships, y'all, right? So, mind you, this is just how I'm feeling, okay? This is how I'm feeling. So, I've been in a relationship for 11 years, okay? 11 years. And I feel like every time I get like a little friend or something, it's always something to do with, like, oh, it's either like, because it's like, nobody be in a relationship for that long no more. Like, I'm just talking facts, and people don't have no long relationships like that. And you see, this is why I don't want to talk, because sometimes I say the wrong thing. I don't want to say the wrong thing. But, like, people just be feeling like, I don't know, like, they just despise me for it. I don't know what it is, y'all. I can't keep a friend. Everybody be dead ass angry. I don't know what it is. But all through this whole shit, it's always been an issue. Mind you, I totally get that, because I've been single before. Like, I wasn't born with this man. This man. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm from New York, y'all. I'm sorry. This is how we talk. You feel what I'm saying? So, I've been with him for a long time, and people don't understand. Like, when is your time, that guy is gonna find you. You do not have to find it. Okay? Like, it's so simple. It's that fucking simple. Like, go along about your business. Worry about yourself. That's what I wish I did before this relationship. Worry about myself. Because if I was, y'all would have been suing me. It would have been lit. I just would have been more, on top of it. Relationships are distractions. I don't care if it's good or if it's a bad relationship, regardless of what, is always a distraction. And is anybody really ready for that? Like, oh yeah, it's cute or whatever, but when it's really time, do you really want to see that nigga for the rest of your goddamn life? Like, y'all think about it. Comment that damn comment in the damn comment box, because Is y'all ready for that? Because you get tired of people fast. You got to make sure this is what you want to do. People don't understand that. Damn, I only got 6 minutes. I'm talking too much. Okay, so yeah, like, and yeah, so people don't understand, like, relationships is very much hard. Okay, like, this shit don't come easy and oh, you gotta do this. No, that person has to actually want to be with you. I'm just saying because, I just want to tell y'all this is just how I feel. You get what I'm saying? So this is, that person has to want to be with you, and you have to want to be with him, or it's not gonna work. People be trying to make stuff work because they see stuff on the internet, like, oh, this person got this person and this person got this, and you don't have to be like that. What God want for you, He's gonna provide you 9 times out of the 10, okay? And that's on period. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little bit more of these little chit chat rants with me, because I just have to get it out, and I feel good getting it out a little bit. I ain't even gonna lie. The video ain't even out yet, but I feel good putting it out. You understand? Because people has to know that you don't really... It's just a lot, y'all. I got so much to say, and if I keep talking, it's gonna pass the 16 minutes. The video gonna be done, and all y'all gonna hear is my voice. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, because I'll be doing more videos like this. And yeah, and don't forget to stick around for this look, because this look is gonna be looking, okay? Like, this look is bomb. I actually use the other setting powder, which is very, very light. I usually do not use Kalahari from Juvia's place. I use Gobi, but I just wanted to save a little bit. And yeah, any other video ideas y'all want me to do, please drop the comments. I will make sure to do so. Yeah, so just watch the rest of this makeup tutorial. I literally did my makeup because I just wanted to play in it. After a couple days, I'll be like, no, I have to do something. This was a late night beat, like everybody was sleeping. I just wanted to, do my makeup and feel pretty. I don't know why. I just have the urge. I always have the urge, y'all. So I'm just blending that contour in, and if y'all want an in-depth, like, detailed, more tutorial, you could go check my other videos out. And yeah, just continue to watch. I have all the links from the products that I'll be using in the description. And I really like how this look came out. The eyeshadow, like I said, this was just a late night beat. I wasn't going nowhere. I literally never go nowhere. I don't do nothing. I have my 2 kids, so I be scared to get COVID. I know it's still out there, y'all. I don't want no COVID, no monkeypox, none of that stuff. So I stay in the house. My son has health issues, so we definitely ain't going outside. I don't do nothing. So, but of course I do stuff. Y'all know I do stuff like this house, and these kids. But other than that, yeah, like I said, you see the setting powder. This Kalahari setting powder is way too light and yellow. I don't like how light it be and give me that shadow effect right there. I don't like that. I like to use a setting powder that's the closest to my skin complexion. So what I do to kind of have it blend out is just I put some pressed powder that's closest to my skin complexion, and I just press that in and try to dust away the setting powder as much as I can and really try to blend that out. If that doesn't work and it still leaves that flashback, you could just go in with some setting powder and set your face again, and it should be good. I'm not gonna really use this setting powder no more. Maybe I should mix it with another color so it could get more my color, but it's really, really, really bright. This is not my usual, you guys. So, and again, I just want to thank everybody that hit that subscribe button, who watch my videos. I want to thank you guys so much. Me and my family really, really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I thank you guys. Don't forget to watch my other videos, because you know these videos is gonna be coming, you guys, back to back. Okay, so the ending result is here, and I'm putting the white liner on my bottom line. It just looks so much better when you do that, you guys. And yeah, this is the ending result.